In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple labels for sorting. Labels are a simple but powerful way to keep your inbox organized, and once you set them up properly, it becomes much easier to find important emails quickly and keep related messages together. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a new label from inside your inbox, and I'll share a few tips along the way so that you can use labels more effectively as you create more of them. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at your main inbox view. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see your usual sections like inbox, sent, drafts, and any existing labels you may already have. What we're interested in is the option to create a new label. Look for a small plus sign, usually near the bottom of your label list or next to the word labels or more. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This is the control that opens the label creation window. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll down through the left sidebar or click more to expand the full list until the option becomes visible. Once you click the plus icon, a small pop-up or dialog box will appear, asking you to enter a name for your new label. Now it's time to type in the label name. Think about how you want to organize your emails before you start naming. Clear, specific names work best. For example, instead of something vague like stuff, you might use invoices, clients, travel, or school. If you're planning to create multiple labels for sorting, try to keep a consistent pattern, such as starting all work-related labels with work, and all personal ones with personal. Click into the text field and type the name you want. Take a moment to double-check the spelling. Remember that you'll be looking for this label in your sidebar later, so you want it to be easy to recognize. When you're happy with the name, confirm by clicking the Create or Save button in the pop-up. Your new label will now appear in the left-hand sidebar of your inbox. From here, you can repeat the same steps to create as many additional labels as you need. Click the plus sign again, enter another label name, and save it. Very quickly, you'll have a set of multiple labels ready to use for sorting and organizing your emails.